head. HR head po. Wow, nag-explain. So, manager sa HR. Ayun. So, it's so nice to see grown and working idols. Love you, HR. Oh, thank you. Eddie Meow, hello. Thank you din. Thank you. So, yeah, the good thing about MNL48 is kaya kami madami kasi each one of us has a selling point. Selling point, like, iba-iba kami. Like, we're really diverse. Our personalities, our backgrounds, our strengths and talents and skills, you know, iba-iba. So, I'm very happy that I was given a chance, of course. Hey, thank you, Eddie Meow. Yun. So, I'm given a chance. I think, as a special member, ayun, to be part of MNL48. Yeah. So, Anna, thank you, Anna, for the rose. Cute mo daw po, Ate Yana, sabi ni Kuya Vincent. Of course, para sa'yo, Vincent. Eddie Meow, thank you again. Wow, times 10, times Naruto eh. Okay. Ka lang, Gedli Boss. Uy, grabe, may times. Parang magiging Oshi ko si Yana, very mature magsalita. Okay, hindi nyo lang alam. Alam yan nila, alam yan nila Lai, nila Ira, nila Shell. Nagugulat sila bigla. Sometimes ako, nagtatransform. So, of course, nasa live tayo. Nasa live tayo. May etiquette. Pero, kung alam nyo lang, syempre, I have many sides. Wow! Hope hindi ka mag-quit sa MNL48 dahil sa nahahati oras mo. Yes, pinipilit ko talaga, and it's magandang gabi! Magandang gabi din. So, ayun nga. Commitment. Let's talk about commitment. Wow! So, yeah. Hindi lahat kaya mag-commit. Charot! Ang dami sinabi. Nagdadrama pa. Pero yun nga. It's an opportunity for me to be part, of course, of MNL48. So, I'm not gonna waste that opportunity. So, yeah, never heard of HR. What kind of job is that? Just curious. Kilok Lucas, human resource po, to expand, like the abbreviation. Uy, thank you, She. Times 3. Wow, thank you. Just, yan, na-idol ka raw ng friend ko. Name niya is Lee. Hoy! Sino ka? Sino ka? Silok Lucas. Uy, thank you, Silok Lucas. Dami naman. Times 6, Music Mike. Uy, pero yun na nga. Diverse po. Hi po, Madam Yana. May mga rules po ba kayo na sinusunod para di matanggal sa group? Of course. I think it's very general. Uy, thank you, Eddie Meow. Grabe. Ang dami. Music on stage and music Meow. GG. Uy, thank you. Ang dami binibigay ni Eddie Meow. So, yung mga rules ng 48G, of course, we have love ban. Number 1 na very tumatatak sa MNL48 and other 48G groups, because it's not all the time, you know, not all groups have it. Wow, grabe naman! Thank you naman, Eddie Meow and Vincent, for the gifts. Wow, times 2. Grabe! Eddie Meow, thank you so much for the gift. Popular times 38. Yo, I love you so much. Yan. Cute mo. Baliw din to eh. Si Yana yung bunso ng 4th gen. Ako yung bunso ng lahat. Hindi nyo ba alam? Sobrang sarcastic. Pero, yeah. Sino po magagaling mag-split sa MNL48? Grabe, split talaga. Kasi meron kaming training. So, every time na nagte-training kami, may stretching, ganyan. Si Andy, grabing flexible ni Ate Andy. Uy, grabe, Jail! Uy, yung workmate ko nandito. Nahiya ako tuloy. Jail, Naka-break ka ba? Nag-break ako. Pag 10 p.m. ba, pag 10 p.m. nagtatransform, yes. Every hour yan. Commitment is a choice. Yes, that is true. Ayoko niyan commitment. Wow, hati ang ano natin, audience. Yes. Nag-mature nga mukha mo yan na hindi ako sure. Yeah, maybe because of stress. Wow, stress! Pero totoo, you know, there has been a lot of happenings. But, some, sometimes I kinda, wow, nag-sharing na. This is very sensitive matter, I think, for others then. So I hope that instead of me discouraging you, I hope that it inspires you. But you know, it would. I'm not gonna say my age. Or thank you, Anna. First, I'm not gonna say my age, but I'm gonna say that, yeah. I really look young than my real age. So every time, kahit as a in my daily life, lagi akong nasasabihin na, ha? Ganito na age mo? Lagi sila talagang gano'n. Like, bakit gano'n? So, thankful na ako na, I feel and look young than my true age. But I also appreciate whenever I mature in my mind and in my appearance. Like, parang, oh yeah, I'm going there. I'm going there. Yun, tumatanda na ako. So, it's a blessing, as you grow and mature. There's a wisdom, there's a new level of wisdom that you get from aging. Yeah, ang dami sinabi pero I don't usually get the chance to talk about it kasi. So yun. Pa-internship po, ma'am. Charet. Wala kami internship for some reasons. So yeah. Pagkatapos umalis ni Colleen, wala pa akong Oshi na napili, baka ito na yun. Uy, grabe ka naman dyan, Nico Kuy. Eddie Meow, hello. Thank you. Laging nag-gift si Eddie Meow. Thank you so much. Sino pinaka nagagandahan ka sa group? Maliban sa'yo. Grabe. Nagagandahan ako sa group. May kanya-kanya kasing ganda. Yung ganda na pag tumingin ka, mapapa-second look ka talaga. Si Clarin. Kasi ang liit talaga ng mukha niya, ang tangkad niya, ang payat niya, parang talagang grabe yung idol aura niya. For me, yun. Pero bawat isa may ganda talaga eh. Like iba-iba. Si Ate Andy, si Cole, grabe si Cole. Patangkad ng patangkad, parang siya, pwede siyang mag-beauty queen, ganun yung peg niya. Si Ate Jamie, si Ate Dana, grabe din yung mukha nun, ganda talaga. So, yung mga Fortune, si Ate Claire din, yung mga third gen, si Rihanna, nagagandahan din ako doon. And sino pa ba? Uy, hindi ko i-judge. Grabe. Nagkakaroon ako ng foggy brain. So, si Kat din, yan. Si Rachel, lalo na. Pang beauty queen din yun eh. So, ayun. Sanay ka na ba mag-let go ng empleyado? Uy, grabe to. Yes. Sorry. Kasama yun eh sa work. So, pero hindi na ako naapektuhan. Sanay na kasi I've been doing it for a long time. Pero every time, of course, there's still that sentiment na nararamdaman ako. Oy, thank you SNNH. Yan. Miss Ma'am, sample po ng HR interview. Kunwari may apply. Uy, why not? Sige. Uy, thank you naman, ang dami. Times 2. Uy, grabe ang dami. Ang daming gifters. I feel so special. Wow. Grabe sila. Pero actually, gusto ko yun. Yung magla-live ako ng interview. What about that? Mag-a-apply ba kayo sa akin? Diba? Interesting yun, guys. So, may mag-interview sa akin, tapos ila-live stream ko. Wow! Magpapaalam nga ako. Charot. Uy, namiss din kita, Eddie Miao. Alam ko yun. Palaban si kuya ko. What are the criterias mo ba for picking the next gens ng MNL48? Hindi naman ako yung namimili. Pero, ayun nga, nakalagay naman dun sa qualification. And it's very true. Yung tawag dito, you should be passionate about singing and dancing. And of course, you have that idol or MNL48, paano ba? Identity. Like, I'm also not sure how they're choosing, pero ano ko lang naman yun, hula ko lang naman yun at how they choose and who are the members right now. Yung parang sila, talagang may kanya-kanyang personality and identity. Yun. Hi, Lay! Very supported naman ng workmate. Ano ba yun si Jael? Ano ba yan? Sino mas matanda sa inyo ni Sheki? Ako. Tiffen, 4807. Ayan na, may clue na ha. Sino close mo sa third at fourth gen po? So actually, hindi pa naman kami masyadong sobrang nagkakaroon ng interaction kasi nga, pag meron, busy din kami. So, pero I believe fourth gen talaga kasi even before, nagkikita kami outside work or outside training, ganyan. So, thank you, pretty daw. God bless. God bless din po. Pwede ko po bang kuning ninang sa kumpil? Nakakaloka yung mga tanong mo. Ate, sino close mo sa ayan? Sinagot ko na yan. Teacher center. Of course, Abby Trinidad. Grabe talaga ang face. Until now. Pa-share ng skincare routine. Skincare routine, depende yan sa hiyangan. Uy, thank you, Lay. Pero, I think the best talaga that would, maintain your appearance and make you look, young is really mindset. Wow, mindset! So, iwas sa stress. Don't let your energy be wasted on negative, matters. So, don't let yourself, absorb those negative energy. Sobrang nakakapangit. Yun na, sige, yun na yung word. Ayoko sanang gamitin yung word, pero nakakapangit talaga yun, yung mga nega energy. So, kayo po ba na bagong member ng MNL48? Hi, JJ on Facebook. So, yes, hi, I'm MNL48 Yana. I'm part of the 4th generation of MNL48. And, there will be a new generation, the 5th generation. So, few days na lang, hindi na kami yung newest members. So, alongside with me are my other sisters, Ira, Shell, and Line. So, please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So, there. Oh, my pumpkin. Oh, my pumpkin, nandyan ka pala. Ang aking pumpkin, na find you swimming there. Naiya pa rin ako. Pero excited ako, guys. Sino yung maganda na mas nakakaganda dahil sa ugali? So, tinatanong mo kung sino maganda ugali. Well, lahat naman talaga mababait. I swear, walang masyadong, nananay. Kasi lahat very supportive, very helpful, ganyan. Thank you, Lay. Isang hi naman po. Hello, Russell Maria Jero. Hi! paano mag-let go. Wow! Paano mag-let go, Clover Lens? Diyos ko. Wow! Kung nakapag-let go ka na before, just imagine, nagawa mo na yun before. Wow! Hello, Lera. Sisi. Oh, Sisi, kumusta ka dyan? Oh, sina kita. Thank you, Denka. Kumain ka na ba? Yes. So, actually, kunin ko nga yung pagkain ko. Give me 2 minutes or 1 minute lang. Show ko sa inyo yung favorite chicken ko dito sa Korea. Binili ko talaga to para sa live. Wait. Tiyaan! Grabe naman yun. Bungad na bungad. Nasa 40 ka na po ba, ate? Hindi. Grabe naman, hindi di pa din ako makapaniwalang legit yung HR. Akala ko guni-guni lang. Grabe. Uy! Sample ng exit interview. Grabe. Pero nakakalungkot mag-exit interview, actually. Ate, hello. Pwede ka na... Ano yun? Wait lang. Choose Abby, mother. Ang dami. Wait lang. Grabe boses, pang MC or host. Sheesh. Uy, thank you. Pangarap ko yun. Gusto ko mag-hosting, ganyan. But ikaw lang yung walang age sa Wikipedia. Surprise yun. Sa tamang panahon. Yung vice mo sobrang MNL48 Abby. Uy, hindi Grabe si MNL48 Abby. Grabe. Like, standard. So, for me, very deserved niya talaga maging general manager. Kasi, I can't imagine if we have another general manager na, let's say, hindi naging MNL48 member. So, siya kasi, gets niya kami, alam niya yung pinagdaanan nung before. So, ang dami niya talagang nabibigay na, ideas and techniques sa amin. So, advices, ganyan. Guys, si Yana po ayaw niya nang di nababasa lahat, kaya medyo malayo po yung backlit niya. Yes, actually. So, hindi ko talaga ini-skip. Senior na yan siya. Grabe. Bakit sobrang mysterious mo pa rin po? Grabe. Hindi naman. Feeling ko nagkakataon lang talaga. So, but I'm so excited kasi this month, sobrang daming mangyayari. So, I'm so excited, guys! Kita niyo yan. Kita niyo yun sa mukha ko. Talagang sobrang excited ako. Saan part mo sa OMPN pasample? Last time sinabi ko, pero naisip ko, just wait for the full performance na coming 16 or more. Malalaman niyo kung ano yung mga parts namin in live very soon. Bakit may chirprang vibe ikaw in terms of empowerment? Uy, grabe naman to be compared to Abby and chirprang. Iba yun. Before ako sumali sa MNL48, I visited, Thailand, and yun nga, I found out about BNK48 and I learned about chirprang. Sobrang wow. Napawawa ko, wow. Yung mga credentials niya and how she was able, to balance her idol and being, not only typical idol but one of the best and still excelling. May catchphrase na po ba kayo sa Miss Yana for a member intro po? Uy, thank you, Joe. Yes, bago ko sagutin si Sunny Yo. Thank you, Joe Sarte. So, yes, ang magpapasaya ng buhay nyo. Kakaloka. Alam, malapit na announcement ng 5th Gen. Yes, malapit na po. Excited na din ako kasi hindi ko sila kilala. Actually, walang masyadong nakakakilala. Walang masyado. Siyempre, may mga rumors. Siguro, pasa-pasa. Pero hindi pa namin talaga sure. Thank you, Eddie Meow. Uy, for staying. Just for staying and watching. Sobrang happy ko na. Hope to see you too, Kiona. Few days na lang. Makikita na. Hayana, when ka po pwede ma-fan cam fan site. Lapit na, guys. Where? Bakit may chirprang vibe? Ayan. Ulit na. Gubne siguro. Uy, favorite ko rin yung gubne, ha. Ang sarap. So, ito. Thank you, Anna. So, ito, ang tawag sa kanya is Outduck. Outduck yung tawag ng mga Koreans, but actually, it's the Outdark. So, I don't know bakit Outduck. Meron daw wordplay. Duck ata is something chicken, ganun. Millennial core, yes. O, yun na. Millennial po ako, yes. Super mysterious din ng pa-black curtain. Yeah. I love black, by the way. Black is my favorite color. So, uy, thank you, love. Love, Robster. Robster. Uy, thank you. Grabe. Wow. Grabe, 77 yung messages. Grabe. Grabe, mag-back read. Ayoko na nga. Suko na ako. Uy, grabe. Luck Robster. Ang saya-saya ko na. Wow. Anong ginawa ko para maging deserving? Joke lang. Pero thank you so much. Grabe. Minacrave pa yung chicken. Hindi kinuha ko sa kitchen, syempre. Uy, hindi pa rin siya natatapos. Thank you, Luck Robster. Thank you, Eddie Meow. Grabe, lumalaban. So, ayan. Ito, medyo nakain ko na kasi yung iba before. So, set. Kakaiba yung flavor nung chicken. Hindi ko ma-explain. Mayroon siyang parang Tabasco. May parang siyang Tabasco na may halong mayonnaise. Tapos may unting gochujang. Sarap talaga, guys. Ang sarap. Gusto ko nga gawing business to sa Pilipinas eh. Kasi ang sarap talaga. Iba yung manok nila dito. So, totoo yun sa mga K-drama na kain sila ng manok. Tapos ang sarap-sarap. Totoo, ang sarap talaga. Tapos may french fries and then tok. Yung tok is yung, alam mo yung tteokbokki. Yung white doon na mahaba. Yun yung tok. Hindi mo sure, Polvoron, kung 28 ako. Hindi ko nga alam kung pwede ko nang sabihin yung age ko eh. Pero, ayoko. Kahit sabihin sa akin na, pwede mo na sabihin, ayoko nga. Wow, yung tawa niya ito, ang tawa. Hi! Hi, Daniel. Hi. What if ikaw mag-interview ng 5th gen? Siyempre, interviewin ko talaga sila, pero hindi lang live. Leo Vince, ito ng tatay ko. Hello pa! Ngayong September, andito ka na ba nun? Yes! Lock Robster, thank you talaga. May mga rosa. Matigo. Wow! How can you contribute as a nature now that you're an idol? Of course, it's a different responsibility. So, I still do my job. Yung workmate ko na nanood, alam yan. Kung gaano kayo magtrabaho. Paulit po, catchphrase. Catchphrase ko. Hi, I'm MNL48 Yana. I am part of the 4th generation of MNL48. And ako ang magpapasaya ng buhay nyo. Grabe. Ano po real name nyo? Aliana. Leana. My name is Leana. Apply na po kayo, guys. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng mag-plug, mag-ads. Pero yeah, if there's a will, there's a way. You can find us. Charis. Bawal yun. Pero yeah. Tagal kong hinintay ka sa live. Buti may announcement. Uy, thank you. Yes. Actually, binigyan ako ng tip ng management. Binigyan kami ng tips. So, yun, dahil sa hindi ako nagti-TikTok talaga. So, it's a help na yun, nag-live event, ako, scheduling. So, I'll be doing that always na, para alam nyo. Suko na siya. Scroll down mo na, Queen. Ito na nga. Kakantahan mo ba kami? Oy, yes. Kasi nga, 'di ba? Nagpa-poll kung anong pipiliin nating song. And it's already 23:29. So, na 11:30 na here. So, magwa 1 hour na. Mag-e-end na yung live natin soon. So, that's gonna be my gift for you guys. Early gift. So, thank you. So, I'm gonna sing first, tapos magbabackread ako ng onte. So,
imagine being
ano ba yan? Hindi ako naka-premium. Nakakahiya. So, eto yung nanalo. Happy birth months, guys! And I hope that for the remaining 3 months of this year, you're contented, even if you have goals that you're not able to reach. I hope that you do your best to still achieve it, but if in case you're not getting there, it's okay. There's still another year to look forward to. So, ito na.